So hello, I'm Fredrik Svanberg. We're here at ISE 2019 with our new company Pixi Lab with a new system called Pixi Lab Blocks, which is, if you look at the system layout, it's a server software that managing rich audiovisual experience in showrooms, museum, corporate events, and etc. And if you look at the system layout here, it looks like a pretty traditional control system with wires and screens and lights and whatever. But the difference here is that we base this technology completely on web technology and streaming media, Wi-Fi wired network, to make it cheap and more efficient and more flexible to use. So for example, everything that has a web browser like this iPad or like these screens are basically also full screen web browsers, can display or interact in a very flexible way. So I can easily show different segments here from an iPad. I can change this, I can jump to different segment, I can control the volume, I can type welcome messages and take them away. If I want to change this to run a synchronized video over two screens, I do this very, very easily because everything is coming from a central server. And if we look at the iPad here, I changed to this page where I have a function that we call swipe. And what you see on the large screen is a normal video, and what you see on the iPad now is a cover flow that you see that it tracks actually to the time code of the video, and you can also interact with it by jumping to a different chapter that you move in the video on the big screen. So this is possible thanks to the web technology, because the web browser in our system is both a very powerful media player and an interactive tool at the same time. And it's not only about the digital and the screens, we can also connect physical things, sensors, we can do lights, and we have, at the front of our stand here, we have a push button. So Max, if you hit the push. So with this button, we basically connect all the functions in the system, the lights, the sensing, triggering a relay, changing the video content, playing a different soundtrack, all from the same button. So if you're interested in take a look at this, welcome to Hall 14, stand, what is it, K120. Thanks.